In the last class, what we discussed in the sense, what is gearbox, what is the requirements or needs of gearbox, what is the types or what is the methods of gearbox used in the automobiles. The theory parts will be discussed in the previous class. Today we want to directly go with the problem. How it can be designed the gearbox. It is a minimum speed or a maximum speed. Will be discussed on the given problems. Okay. Before that, I told that speed of gearbox 6 speed, 9 speed, 12 speed, and 14, 15, 16, 18. These are the arrangements, preferred things like 3 into 2 means 6 gearbox, 3 into 3, 9 gearbox. This preferred strategy I can explain in the previous classes. Now we go directly with the problems. Okay, note down the problems. First one. Find the progression ratio for 12 speed gearbox having the speed between the 100 and 355 rpm. Full stop. Also find the spindle speed. Listen guys. So in the speed is directly given as a 12 speed is directly given. The minimum speed, maximum speed are directly given. I already know what is the step ratio or progression ratio. Could you think, recall about this? The ratio between two adjacent side speed is called as a step ratio or a progression ratio. That is denoted by psi. So first we want to calculate the psi. Okay. So the formula is psi is equal to, not like this, n maximum divided by n minimum is equal to psi of n minus 1. This is the formula. We want to find out this kind of psi. It is also called as a step ratio or a progression ratio. So n maximum is directly given in a problem 355 and n minimum also given 100 is equal to psi of n is speed is nothing but 12 minus 1. So in the range of 355 divided by 100, so 0.5, 355 divided by 100 is equal to 3.55 is equal to psi of 1 by 11. So not 11. Okay, in the sense of psi is equal to 3.55 whole power 1 divided by 11. So psi becomes the value is equal to 1.12. So it is our psi value. So based on the psi value, so we know the minimum speed and maximum speed. We can take it as an n1 and n2 because two speeds only in a given problem. We want to calculate the in between speeds like n2 to up to n11. So by the help of psi value, could we refer the standard books? Refer the page number 7.20. Everyone took it? So 7.20. So the number of psi series is available. Just carefully listen. R5, R10, R20 and R40 series is available in our standard data book page number 7.20. Respectively, R5 psi value become 1.6, R10 is equal to 1.25, R20 series is equal to 1.12 and R40 series is equal to 1.06. This is the standard value in the respected page number of 7.20. Could you refer R5 series, R10 series, R20 series and R40 series? Among the series, we got the value of 1.2. First you can check the series, which one is suitable for us. So R12 is directly available for R20 series. Am I right? Our psi value and the standard psi value become R20 is equal to psi value is equal to 1.12. So our value is equal to 1.12. So you can directly put the value from the series of R20 series. Okay, just listen it. The given value is 1.1 to 1.25. Okay, so our first minimum value is 100. Where it will be comes under 1, you consider as 100. Because this first time you multiply with 10, another time 100, then 1000, then 10,000. Parallel you can took the value from the respective series. Then only we got the minimum to maximum ranges. Okay. Only condition is when you took the last value, you can skip the first value because 1 and 10 is nearest values. That's why while you took the last value means you can skip the first value. While you considering the first value means you can skip the last value also. Okay. Now you can choose the in between speeds. So you write this N1, N2, N3, N4.